Hello you guys. Hello you guys. So yeah, let's go Mount climbing today. Yes, we're gonna walk because we're gonna drive na kayo. See, this is my kids complaining right away. It's not even the beginning yet. If we don't start yet, they complain already. Unbelievable, my children. So I'm trying to train my children how to walk in the mountain because they don't have no clue how to walk in the mountain. And my daughter Samantha earlier was crying that we are going to go walk in the mountain because she doesn't want to walk in the mountain. Mountain is good for you. And it's nice day today because it's sunny, it's not so cold. I'm actually started getting hot. You're too tired. Stop it. It's nothing on what mommy has to go through. Mommy had to walk to go to school 30 minutes, back and forth 1 hour every day because we live in the mountain and you're complaining. Let's go, Margo. Oh no. Someone want to be carried. Come, I will hold you. Come. I will hold you. You cannot pour toi, huh? You need to walk in the mountain. Well, no one can pour toi except Carabao or horse. We have no Carabao or horse except Daddy is the horse. Can I hold you? You need to learn how to walk because you need to learn, Margo. Promise it's good for you. And you need to learn. Look at the Samantha and Matthews going very fast, huh? This is very good. I love this. More than going to the park. Where? Oh yeah, nice. You see that view? This is beautiful. You see? It's beautiful to come in the mountain. You need to walk, Margo. Good for you. Yes.
Can we go to the after the mountain? Go to
Yes.
what?
Let's go. Let's go. Seriously, Margo, no. Let's go. It's funny.
On a mountain, please.
What?
I'm gonna sit in the mountain.
Where? Let's go.
Mom, parlez-moi. C'est pas facile de monter.
Ah, si pasilin ko yung mukha mo.
I'm not tired.
That's good.
We're almost in the mountain.
No, we're gonna go on the top of the mountain, yo. Come on, Margo. There. You see the white tower? We will go there.
That's gonna take a long time.
Margo! Wait, my hand is tied with this camera. Someone's crying next to me because she doesn't wanna walk. But they need to learn how to walk in the mountain.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you need to learn how to walk.
No.
It's growing up again.
It's not it. It's hot now. Cool.
Yeah, check
Good thing I did not bring my other thick jacket. Come on, let's go. Okay. I don't love you too. Okay. You need to walk, Margo, because it's starting to get hot. Wait lang, Margo. Woo. Margo, you need to learn how to walk. Kids in the mountain walk, you know. They don't cry because you have to walk, because you have no opportunity, you have no car, no nothing. So you need to learn how to walk, Margo. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm teaching him how to walk, and he's crying. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. Come on. Yes, you can. Let's go. Come on, Miss Cory. You want some chocolate later? Okay, do you want to go horsey later? Okay, let's go. The faster we get there, the faster we can go back. See, beautiful the view.
We need to build the house there.
Yeah. I'm so proud of you. What you doing there, Samantha? You wanna dig big? I didn't walk.
C'est gentil, Mathieu. Trouver un trésor?
Ouais. C'est pas trésor. J'ai pas trouvé les trésors.
Oh, flûte. On va voir ailleurs s'il n'y a pas de trésor. Ah bien, à côté peut-être.
Pas de trésor aussi.
Pas de trésor. Allez, avance, là, les filles elles sont parties sans nous.
Ah ouais. Maman, Margot, c'est maintenant.
Avance, Mathieu, tu vas être en retard. Là.
Ah ouais.
Tu te concentres un peu plus sur la marche.
Margot, c'est maintenant. Maman, oui, tiens.
Try it, you know.
Alors, Annalisa, how's your trekking
It's good.
with your kids?
It's beautiful, Alexi. How is it? It's a bit heavier, huh? A big difference, huh? Yeah.
Ça dépend how you carry it.
Oh, stop complaining, man. Macho. This is how we do it in the province.
Show me.
It's almost there. It's almost there. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, Mama. So perfect.
Tired ko yung mukha nyo. Look at that girl. After walking, not even long, she's crying. She wants to be carried. Now she's crying. Why are you crying? You giving up now? Don't give up, Marco. Don't give up.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that view of the beach. And look at the view of my daughter. She doesn't want to walk anymore. I try to let them walk in there in a hard way so that they learn how to do it because they don't know how to do it. Come on, let's go.
I don't want to go to water.
Oh, come on. In the mountain, we bring more than the ship.
I'm gonna be live.
Oh, now we come to build the house, okay? Ready, hello. Congratulations, it's the first out.
Yeah.
It's the first time mommy go out.
Oh, shit.
2021.
This one for me is more fun to go than the other shit. Can you please hold it?
Yeah.
Come on, go. You want to watch you? Huh? Your sipon. Yup. Careful here, okay?
Ah ouais, it's more complicated sometimes to go down than to go up, huh? Ça va, grand?
We're going in here because they're the
The stone.
rock was beautiful. Come on. I'm going to make some crawfish vegetable pasta. I'm now chopping the garlic and the onion. Boiling the tomato and cutting the cherry tomatoes. And the parsley. So I will be removing the skin of a crawfish and just use the meat inside. So I'm finished cutting the boiled tomato and now I'm boiling the pasta and gonna stir fry the onion and the garlic. I will let the onion and the garlic cooked and I will add the tomatoes. Mix it a little bit. And now the cherry tomatoes. And the salt. And the black pepper. Let it simmer. And I will add the crawfish that I cleaned. Mix it all together. And the zucchini, I grated the zucchini. It's 2-piece zucchini that I grated earlier. I love zucchini in pastas. And now I'm going to add the pasta and mix it together. I add a little bit of olive oil because I like it with the taste of olive oil on my pasta. It's delicious. And now I'm going to add the spinach. Mix it together. And I'm going to add the parsley. And now I'm gonna grate the Parmesan cheese. And we're finished. And more grated Parmesan cheese on top because I love Parmesan cheese. I cannot wait to eat it. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna eat the pasta that I make. And let's see how is it. I tried it, it's really good when I tried it earlier. It's very good. It's sweet because of the cherry tomatoes. Very delicious. And also healthy because I put some vegetable. Actually, it's my first time to put some spinach in it. I did it before with just zucchini and not too much pasta before, but with a little bit pasta is much better. And it's very good actually.
Ça, c'est une pomme de pain.
I think the best pasta that I make.
Ah, it's light. It's good.
With the vegetable and the spinach.
Spinach also?
Yes, the green one spinach.
Yeah, good, good, very good. Yeah. Yeah, my mother will pay for this one. Even I don't like too much of seafood. But it's very good. You can feel the meat is better. You know what? For the best of the best, and put 50 € additional, truffle. Alors là, par contre, voilà, il faut garder.
Hello you guys, let's pick for today's winner. Margot will be the one to pick the winner for today's video with our delicious pasta, the best pasta I've ever made. Actually, I'm not lying about it. You can try it by yourself. So go ahead, Margot, pick the winner. This. Let's see who's the lucky winner for today's video.
Yay!
Yay! So the winner for today's video is Dean and Kids. Contact me on Instagram on how you can get this 1,000 peso. So congratulations for winning 1,000 peso. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe, yay, and like, yay, and comment. And keep watching please. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't watch 1 second and 2 seconds. I can see by the way. See you guys soon. Bye bye. We're going somewhere in the park because it's sunny today and we need to go out the house because they want to go to the park. They're bored at house. They're bored at the house. So yeah, we're gonna go. Yes, we usually look for more food, but there's no more because I mean it's small amount this time because I don't wanna have too much food because I wanna eat different type of foods every
Because
day.
what is good?
So yeah, see
We
you
don't have
guys
much.
soon. Bye bye. See bye bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye bye.
Enjoy because it's good to go back to confinement. Tulog daw.
Really? Margo, the water is coming, Margo. The water is coming. She keep walking to move next time her feet. It's not gonna go away.
Can I sweat?
See you.
If you jump, that's my turn. When I see you in the morning, I do like this, Alan.
You what?
When I see myself in the morning, I do like that, Alan.
Samantha, no matter how much you remove it,